guys, it's Brianka the MUA and I am back with another tutorial. Today I wanted to come and show you guys this really easy and simple Valentine's Day look. I will be using the new Vanessa palette by Juvia's Place. Guys, I really love the colors in this palette. I'm also going to be using a few new products that I just bought and I'm going to be trying out. So yes, you guys, if you would like to stay tuned and see how I get this really easy, simple, and pretty Valentine's Day look, then stay tuned and keep watching. Don't forget to like this video before you leave and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment before you go, as well as I'm trying to build my channel, and it will show me that you guys are liking what I'm putting out and help me stay consistent. I love you guys so much and I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day full of love, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, so we are back and I'm going to start out by concealing my lid with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer in the color 5W Deep. Then I'm going to go in with the Vanessa palette by Juvia's Place. You guys, look at these colors. I love these colors so much. They're so good for like brown skin. For my transition shade, I'm going to go in with this pretty orange color called Stush. And I'm going to go back and forth in windshield wiper motions and just put this color in my crease and just keep going back and forth with it until it gets as bright as I want it to be. For my crease shade, I'm going to go in with this pretty burgundy color named Aqua, and I'm going to put that right in my crease and blend it into that orange color Stush. Then I'm going to go right back in with my transition shade Stush, you guys, and blend out Aqua. Then we're going to go in with the BSG color, which is like a dark brown. We're going to use that to define our crease and add some depth to the look. And we're just going to go back and forth in windshield wiper motions. And basically, guys, we're just going to go back and forth between all three colors until we have it all blended out and perfect. Next, it's time to cut the crease. We're going to use the Rumor One base by P. Louise and a flat synthetic brush and just carve out our crease. You guys, the trick to getting a smooth cut crease is to just take your time. Literally take your time and just carve out the shape of your lid. Now that our crease is all carved, I'm going to go in with the color Busy. This is just a super pretty nude matte color, you guys, and I just thought it would complement the burgundy and the orange really well for like if you're wearing like shimmers and you have a lot going on with your Valentine's Day outfit. This would bring something neutral and really sexy to your look. Then I'm going to go back in with the Cool and put that on my outer V just to give my lid somewhat of a color on the outer V. And I'm going to go in with the NYX matte liner and I'm just going to wing out my eyes. Next, I'm going to add some mascara to my natural lashes. This way it'll cover up any fallout from the eyeshadow that we put. Then I'm going to go in with lashes from my line, Muse Beauty by Brianka, and I'm going to apply the lash in the style Goddess, you guys. This is my favorite lash from my line. I will have my Instagram to my line down below in the description box if you guys want to buy. I actually launched today, well yesterday, because by the time you see this video it will be the 13th. I launched on the 12th and you guys, I've gotten such an overwhelmingly positive response. I'm like so happy. So then I'm going to go in with this black liner from LA Girl. This is one of my favorite drugstore liners, you guys. It's waterproof and it stays in place so well. Now it's time to prime our face, and I'm going to be using the Hydro Grip Primer from Milk, and I'm just going to apply that all in my T-zone and all the areas where I have large pores so that our makeup sticks and lasts all day. And then I'm going to go in with this Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the color Truffle. This is a new foundation I'm trying out and I actually really like it. It lasts for a long time. It lasts for such a long time and the coverage is amazing, you guys. So this is the color Truffle by Estee Lauder. Then we're going to go back in with the same Double Wear Concealer by Estee Lauder that we used to conceal our lid. And we're going to put that right up underneath our eyes in an upside down triangle to highlight. I'm going to highlight underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and a little bit on my forehead just to brighten those areas so that we look super snatched. Then we're going to go in with the Juvia's Place Catsina foundation stick to contour our cheeks, a little bit of our forehead, and down the sides of the bridge of our nose. Then I'm going to spray the setting spray that I'm going to use, which is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm going to spray my beauty blender, which is clean and damp, and use patting motions to blend out my concealer in my concealed areas. Then I'm going to go in with the Morphe M433 brush to blend out my nose contour. I really like to use a brush when I'm contouring my nose because sometimes when you use a sponge or any type of like bigger type of brush, it's harder to get in those areas and make your nose look precise. So then I'm going to go in with this foundation buffing brush by Real Techniques, and I'm going to switch between that and the fat end of my beauty blender to blend out my contour and my contoured areas. When I do that, I like to do that because the beauty blender kind of melts the contour into the concealer and the foundation, if that makes sense, and then the brush helps you blend it out like faster. Then I'm going to go in with the new Laura Mercier Translucent Honey setting powder, and I'm going to apply that in all the areas where I had concealer. Any area that is a cream or a liquid, you want to set it with a powder to keep it from creasing or transferring onto clothes or keeping you from getting oily, you guys. So today I'm going to try something a little different. I'm going to use this dark brown shade from the Vanessa palette, and I'm going to use that to set my contour, you guys. Like I said, anything that is a liquid or a cream, you must set it with a powder. And I really like the color of this brown in this palette, so I'm like, let me try and use this to contour because the contour powder that I usually use is actually about this color. So I just wanted to try it. You know, makeup is just about experimenting and trying different things. Then I'm going to go in with this blush called Bella by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to put that right on the apples of my cheeks to warm my face up. And I just really love blush, you guys. I really have fallen in love with blush over the years. Then I'm going to go in with the Dark Deepest Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC, and I'm going to use that to set all the areas where I had translucent powder and concealer to bring color back to my face. Then I'm going to go in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and I'm going to spray my face, and I'm going to use my beauty blender to press the setting spray into my face. Then the highlighter I'm going to use today is by Juvia's Place. It's the highlighter 2. It is a loose pigment, so I just take a brush, tap a little bit in the top because this can get very messy if you try to use it straight out of the container, you guys. Trust me from experience, I've dropped this so many times and got highlighter everywhere. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to mix the color BSG and Akua together and drag them across my bottom lash line into my liner. I just wanted to kind of smoke it out a little bit and add some color down at the bottom because I'm loving that look lately. Then I'm going to add a little bit of mascara to the bottom lashes. Then I'm going to go in with these two pretty lip glosses, Naomi, and I think it's called Legit Nude. Yeah, that's what it's called. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the MAC Chestnut Lip Liner as always. Of course, it's a brown girl staple. Then I'm going to go in with Legit Nude. You guys, look at how creamy and thick and pretty this nude lip gloss is. I was so in love when I tried this on. I was very, very, very impressed. is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for coming back and watching another video. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful Valentine's Day. This year is going to be a great year for all of us in love, and I just want you guys to never settle for less. Love on yourself if you don't have anybody else to love on, and I will see you guys in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel before you go. Tell a friend, tell a friend, to tell a friend. I love you guys so much. Peace out.